Want to get MacBook Pro, MacBook Neo, and more than 1 lakh cash prizes? Then watch the video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share an amazing opportunity where everyone can participate and get these cool items. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hype the video too. We are talking about Adobe University Hackathon 2026 and registrations are now live. Registration link is in the description box. Let's discover what is it. So here, first of all, it's open for engineering student across all years, all branches. Means even if you are in first year, second year, third year, or final year, you can apply for this opportunity. Now, how it will work? Let me just tell you one by one. So first of all, it will consist of total 4 rounds. First round will be based on the 15 MCQ based on algorithm, DSA, programming logic, one coding question, one case study on brand visibility. Okay, it will be of 90 minutes each. And each participant will be given only one attempt to attempt this quiz. Once you are completed this particular round 1 and selected, you will be getting round 2. Okay, here you have to make some project based on the problem statement which they will provide. You have to share your GitHub repository where all the codes will be there, documentation, all the things which will be shared to you, what you have to do. A proper guidance will be provided to you. You have to share that thing. After that, in round 3, if you have passed the round 2, you'll be notified for round 3 also. Here you have to just submit all the things, okay, in the front of the judges panel. Okay, and if you pass that stage also, round 3 is also completed, where you have submitted all the prototypes including the submitting supporting documents. You'll be getting a chance. If your project is shortlisted, top leader will be getting a chance to submit the solution at Adobe leadership at Adobe headquarters in Noida. Here you can see these are the prizes. They have mentioned over here how to register. Link is in the description. Enter your basic details, register over here. It's open for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.